Hello, 8th graders. It's Miss Marlowe here. I know that many of you are familiar with Google Classroom, but I want to make sure that we go through exactly how Google Classroom is going to be set up with your 8th grade teachers so that you are familiar with it and there is no confusion at all. So first of all, I'm sure many of you know this, but in order to get to your Google Classroom, there's a couple different ways. You can go to classroom.google.com and that's going to take you there. Or if you're on this main page, another way that you could do it is go to your menu here and you can click the classroom icon and it will also take you to your Google Classroom. Once you're in your Google Classroom, mine does look a little bit different because I have more, because I have all of the classes that I'm the teacher for, but then I also have classes that you should see as students. So you should see Miss Holly's class, you should see Miss Fuchs's class, you should see Miss Price's class, and you should see Mr. Garvey's class, and then of course my class for science. So when you get to your landing page, this is what it should look like. You should see each class, you should see your teacher's pictures so that you can quickly know which class is which. And then I'm going to quickly go through with you kind of what your assignments and things should look like once you're in there. So for example, right now I see that I have work due in Miss Fuchs' class. So she has some work assigned for me. So I'm going to click in her class and use hers as an example to show you. So this is the main page when you first get into one of your classrooms. So as you can see, you have 3 tabs up here. The Stream tab, this is where your teachers are going to post announcements. So every Monday, you'll get an announcement from your teacher that shows you the week ahead. So kind of what assignments and things you're going to have the week moving forward. Remember that you're only responsible for doing assignments Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Mondays are kind of a catch-up day. So your teachers might post an announcement telling you what's to come, but it will not be anything that you have to actually complete that day. The next tab that's probably going to be the most important for you is the classwork tab. So I can clearly see now that I have assignments due. Every one of your teachers will post your assignments under the week of and then whatever current week we're in. So right now, this is the week before school starts. So I have an assignment from Miss Fuchs and then I have an end of lesson check. Each one of your teachers is going to have something like this every day. So your assignments will be labeled with the day, the date, and then the term assignment. And then this is like your exit slip for the day. So first I'm going to do my assignment. My exit slip comes at the end. So when I click my assignment, I will see Ms. Fuchs has left me or has put in the instructions here, but I'm going to click view assignment so I can see it better. Now I can tell that what grade or how much this is worth. And then I can also see the instructions. So she's telling me to watch the video and take notes if I need to, and then complete the assignment. So first thing I'm going to do is watch this video. So I just click that. The video will play.
Hey, here's an example. This is not a real thing.
And then I can exit out of that. I've watched the video. Great job. Now over here is my work. So I'm going to open up my work. I'm going to read the directions or whatever she's asking me to do. And then I'm going to complete my assignment. Once I have completed it, I can click Turn In up here in the corner, or I can go back and click Turn In here. It is very important that once you finish your work, you click Turn In. Yes, I want to turn it in. I'm finished. Now you can see that that changed from assigned to turned in. So I'm just waiting on Miss Fuchs to grade that and return it to me. And in another video this week, I'll explain returned work. So now I'm done with this. So I'm going to go back. And then I'm going to go to my end of lesson check. One thing to note, now that I've turned this in, this color of this assignment has now changed to gray. That tells me that I turned it in. Now I'm going to go to the end of lesson check. This is like my exit slip. Again, I'm going to view the assignment. It's important that I'm not going to mark it as done until I'm actually done with it. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to read, what is your name? Marlo. Why do you enjoy being my friend? You are fun, unique, caring, honest, and loving. What book did I most recently read? Let me think. I think it was called Big Little Lies. I loved it. All right, and then I'm going to submit that to Miss Fuchs. If it was a thing that was graded automatically, I could view my score, or I can open the assignment, or I can simply go back to my classroom. And now I'm going to mark it as done because I am finished. Mark is done. Woo! I've done all my work. Now I'm going to go back to my class, look at my tab. Everything is gray. I am done. Done before it's due. Great job to me. And then I can also look at my calendar and I can see, yep, I did that. Yep, I did that. I am good to go, right? So then I could go into my other classes. Another quick way to look at your work, and so now if you notice, I've turned those things in, so those things are gone, the things that originally said I had them do. You can also click this open your work, and it will show you the assignments for that class, and I can see, yep, I turned it in, yep, I turned it in. If your teacher returns it, it would also show that. Again, that'll be on another video. If you have any questions about Google Classroom so far, please be sure to email me or post a comment in this assignment. All right, that is all.